Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and you're probably watching this video because you're having an issue with ConnectIt-Avalara, and I've asked you to send me a bunch of files. The first file I want you to send me is the DTF of the document that you're having a problem with. To get that DTF file, we are going to open the document. We're going to go to the File, Export to Document Transport File option. This opens up a little wizard. Step 1, I'm just going to hit Next. Step 2, I'm going to select Current because that's the one that I just opened, the one that I'm having a problem with. I'm going to hit Next. I usually suggest you go for Other Location. Then you can save it to your Downloads folder, your desktop, somewhere convenient that you know where you're going to be able to find it. Put it into the email. I'm going to hit Next. Step 4, no need to make any comments, but if you can make sure this allow file to be opened by installations using a different serial number is ticked, hit Next. And when we hit the Finish button, that is going to open up a file dialog for me to save the DTF file. In this instance, it's hit the Downloads folder, so I'm just going to hit Save. Okay, the second lot of files are the configuration files. There's a few steps to get into these, but if you follow this and keep pausing periodically, hopefully you can keep along. We're going to go to the QuoteWerks Help menu, and we're going to hit the About screen. From the About screen, we're going to go to the System tab, and we're looking for this installation path. If I click on this installation path, it's going to open up a Windows file dialog, and this is where I'm running QuoteWerks from. I'm going to scroll down in this list and find the menuops.add file. This is a text file just to be opened in Notepad. I've got a whole bunch of options here. You won't have anywhere near as many, or at least it's unlikely you will. I'm looking for these resolve address in Avalara, get tax rate from Avalara, etc. Excuse me, menu options. And what I want is this path. For you, it's probably going to be the QuoteWerks directory or a subfolder of the QuoteWerks directory, possibly C program files. Mine's a little bit convoluted here because it's my test dev environment, but I'm going to take that path, copy it to the clipboard, right click and copy, or Control C. I'm then going to go back to my Windows file dialog, and I'm going to paste this in and hit return. From here, the configuration files are these CIT underscore files, CIT underscore main.xml, CIT underscore taxmap.xml. I'd like both of those files, please. So if you could grab those, paste them into an email, either right click copy or highlight them both and Control C, whatever works for you best, paste those into the email. The next lot of files I will need are JSON files. You can find those in the API files subdirectory. You're probably going to have quite a few listed here. If you've just been experiencing the issue, if you've just tried the ConnectIt-Avalara utility and it's caused the error or had the unexpected result that you have, if you sort by date modified descending, then that's going to push the relevant JSON files to the top of the list. Depending on the exact issue that you've had, it might be these create transaction files that are going to be most useful to me, or it could be this get customer, it could be this resolve address result. Any which way, if you've had the problem today, just grab all the files that are modified today and you're bound to get me the right ones. They're only very small files, they should go through email just fine. And again, with these, I either Control C or right click copy and paste them into the email. I hope this has been useful and you've been able to follow it. I look forward to receiving your ConnectIt-Avalara files soon, and I will get back to you as soon as possible with an answer to your question or a resolution to your issue. Thank you for listening.